Well, what could it be? Will India, the East Bengal team, win this match? Or will Transport United upset the mighty Giants? That is something to watch today. Transport United अघिल्लो खेलमा गोल गर्न पनि सकेको थिएन, सो कारणले गर्दाखेरि
go attack मा अगाडि बढेको थियो ट्रान्सफर, but अब chance इस्ट बंगालको लागि.
And that was the very first chance र निकै राम्रो opportunity थियो, त्यहाँ मिस गर्न पुगिन् रेस्टीले. Fazila Ikwaput left hand side, Sulanjanako cross pass, Royo shot. Oh, that was a very bad miss there by Soumya Guguluth. We expect her to score in this kind of scenarios.
It was a beautiful cross actually. Sulanjanako cross थियो Soumya Guguluth लाई र जुन रेपुटेसन Guguluth को छ त्यो अनुसारले यो गोल हुनुपर्ने थियो यहाँ र इस्ट बंगाल अहिलेसम्म एक गोलले अगाडि बढिसक्नु पर्ने थियो, but not to be so. Oh my god, यो
साइड बाट अगाडि बढ्दैछिन् जर्सी नम्बर 6 Sabita. It might be a cross in the box. Ashilata cross गर्दै box भित्र तर
confidence on the ball. Transport United.
Jamyang ball जित्दै Transport को लागि. There is a chance here. Right hand side batter Deki Lazom. Good clearance there by the defender Ben Opoku.
Goal in the early stages of the match. Now here's a chance for East Bengal.
From the left hand side Sujana को shot थियो. Sulanjana Rao first बारमा 10 गर्दै तर संगीता मङ्गरले कुनै पनि रिस्क लिन चाहिनन् र she made the save. Perhaps it was going out.
यो उत्कृष्ट पास रहेको थियो, सायद उनले एक टच लिएकी भए त्यहाँ अर्को एउटा राम्रो मौका सिर्जना हुन सक्थ्यो, but still she went for the left footed shot towards the first bar. An easy save for
Rao. You pass Fazila को लागि. Fazila Ikwaput cutting it in. There's a good chance. Fazila ko your shot. And that goes wide. Could have been an easy finish there by the Ugandan striker.
The Ugandan striker Fazila Ikwaput had a beautiful chance. Sulanjanako pass पनि उत्कृष्ट नै थियो. Turn back, free post, अर्को एउटा टच पनि सायद लिएको भए हुन्थ्यो. She lost her composure at the
That is Resti Nanziri. यहाँ Fazila coming in. Fazila यो अर्को chance लाई deny गर्दै. And this time it's the number 12 Jamyang Choden coming in. Good composure there by the defender. Otherwise
Guguluth को यो पास रहेको थियो Fazila को लागि 1-on-1 situation मा. Excellent goalkeeping. Sangeeta Mongar again comes out good for her team.
As you can see Soumya को feed थियो Fazila को लागि. She could have done a Fazila को लागि and ball को appeal थियो तर referee ले deny गरेको छिन्. Resti Nanziri र Fazila Ikwaput center locations मा.
East Bengal especially अहिले हरेक ball inside the box, a long one they're trying to throw a long.
अगाडि बढ्दै यशी विधा. यशीको क्रस बक्समा डेन्जरस र यहाँ भने पान्थोइ चानुकी फम्बल गर्न पुगेकी थिइन्.
Nearly a fumble, nearly a.
इस्ट बेंगल र यहाँ यो क्रस हामीले देखेका थियौँ अमन. Could have been dangerous here.
उनी बाहिर नै आएकी थिइन् त्यो बल कलेक्ट गर्नको लागि, but the collection was not excellent. यो भने पास रहेको थियो Soumya Guguluth को. Guguluth को जुन प्रकारको रेपुटेसन छ सायद अब
Feet in गर्दै डेन्जरस रहन सक्छ. पान्थोइ चानु almost drop गरिसकेकी थिइन्. Once again she's fumbling. She's getting used to the ball, I guess. अझै ट्रेनिङमा काम गर्नुपर्ने आवश्यकता देखिन्छ पान्थोइ चानुले.
हामीलाई थाहा छ पान्थोइ चानु one of the most experienced player हुन् भनेर, गोलकिपर हुन् भनेर, but फेरि पनि दोस्रो पटक यो फम्बल भएको अभिनव, and it could have been dangerous. Transport United कोही खेलाडीहरू भएको भए, but here East Bengal.
Oh, what a goal! What a cross, what a goal there by Fazila Ikwaput, the Ugandan. And there comes the very first celebration as well. Can you see me? And we can definitely see you there, Fazila. What a goal, what a header, what a powerful statement there by the Ugandan player, Fazila Ikwaput. Somya Gugulutko quality cross. No answer there by Sangeeta Mongar.
There you go, a flying header from Fazila Ikwaput. And this gives East Bengal a 1-0 lead in this match. What a cross that was from Somya Gugulut. And obviously Sangeeta Mongar जसले यसभन्दा अगाडिको प्रयासहरू विफल बनाइदिएकी थिइन् इस्ट बंगालको. But this time she had no answer at all, and the defensive line.
Box भित्र dangerous. Somya Gugulut ready थिइन् त्यहाँ. Sunita Rai taking her moment, तर यहाँ problem create हुन सक्छ transport को लागि. She's screening, but Saritaले ball जित्न सफल भइन्.
Sunitaलाई ball दिँदै left hand flankबाट.
I think that's a foul. Yeah, एक touch. धेरै फरक पार्छ खेलमा र I think that is the first half's ending र I think it's going to be
United from the left. जसले पहिलो गोलमा असिस्ट गरेकी थिइन् सोम्या गोग. In the box and goal. Positive result चाहिएको छ. In the box and a punch. Sangeeta Mongar was well alert over there. अझ पनि Fazila, but well defended there. Transport United in control of the match. East Bengal moving the ball around. That's number 5, Aston, with the long ball trying to find Fazila. Was it a fall? No, says the referee. Referee Ojin. Corner kick, curling inside the box, but a really good header. Silky Devi, what a header that was. A defensive header, but still the ball is with Transport United. Shukmaya ko यो pass सही रहन सकेन. And as he's playing as well. Raferi Aba, East Bengal. That's Resty. Resty to Fazila. Fazila le pass takes inside the box. Yo Moka! Sulazana Rahul. There we go. The 18-year-old, and she scores a beautiful goal. 18 वर्षको उमेरमा यो confidence, what a beautiful goal that was.
पक्कै पनि यो निकै उत्कृष्ट गोल उनको लागि र दर्शकको लागि पनि मैले भर्खरै मात्र भनिरहेको थिएँ जुन किसिमले खेलाडीहरूले चाहिँ पहिलो हाफमा खेले गोल निस्केको थिएन, तर दोस्रो हाफमा फजिलाको त्यो क्रस उनको लागि जसरी पास निकालेकी थिइन् र त्यहाँ राहुलले त्यो पासलाई सदुपयोग गर्दै गोल पनि गरिन्. 2 गोल इस्ट बंगालको लागि र ट्रान्सपोर्ट युनाइटेड 0.
There you go. What a beautiful goal. A composing finish. Pema छोडेनलाई छक्क्याउँदै in the box. In the cross, and this time it's a goal. Rusty Nanziri, the Ugandan pair of Fazila and Rusty Nanziri combining well together. And Sangeeta Mongar this time had no chance. A beautiful dance. 3-0 up. East Bengal.
हाफमा 2 गोल भइसकेको छ. पहिलो हाफमा 1 गोल, अहिलेसम्म 3 गोल भइसकेको छ र हामी यहाँ
right batter.
Sulanjana Raul. Fazila in support as well as Resty. Sulanjana, she goes inside the box. Fazila ko lagi yo pass thiyo भने goal thiyo Fazila ko. That's the 4th goal for East Bengal. And there you go. That beautiful dance, beautiful smile. And of course, there you go. The combination between these two players, Sulanjana Raul and Fazila Ikwaput, it gives East Bengal a 4-0 lead.
A wonderful move there, Fazila, with all the composure. Only Sajile ball retain garin, सँगसँगै convert pani garin, and that is the mark of a quality striker. And with that, my prediction also goes to drain.
But she goes for a pass. Somya Gogulutko lai थियो त्यो pass. But Mongar with the save.
Sangeeta Mongar trying everything to save it. यो खेलमा शायद Transport United but सबैभन्दा busy player नै उनीरहेको छिन्. The most number of touches.
भने रहन सकेन. यो मौका हुन सक्छ. Dicky Lazome को यो pass. There might be a goal, but the flag goes up. The flag goes up. Heartbreak for Transport United.
यहाँ भने अश्लता देवीको त्यहाँ cramp भएको Joji Don with a good cross in the far flank. यो अवसर पेमाको लागि अर्को अवसर तर क्लियरेन्स गर्दै Nigerian player र यसका साथै यो खेलको पनि अन्त्य. And East Bengal to the environments, the ground conditions and everything. र दोस्रो हाफमा जुन प्रकारको इस्ट बेङ्गल देख्यौँ त्यो क्वालिटी थियो र त्यसमा क्यालिबर थियो, एन्ड दे हेभ इच एन्ड एभ्री possibility of winning this tournament.